Good morning. Let's start our class with a cup of tea. Not with a cup of tea, a cup of chai. Yes, our next chapter in English is chapter number 2, A Cup of Chai. It is a short story of a girl named Meera who had a wonderful experience with tea. Yes, she had a wonderful experience. How? Let's listen. Meera went for the outing with their parent, run up the hill, passes through the rivers and trees. All the way she is moving fast, chasing the clouds, climbs up and up without a stop. Without a stop means without stopping anywhere, without taking rest anywhere. In this chapter, she called Mama Papa as a Ma Baba. She said, Ma Baba, please hurry up. Before the sun goes to sleep, we have to reach. Sun goes to sleep means the sun sets off. While moving to the destination, the place where a person have to reach. Ma says, oh, I love the smell, fragrance of the fresh air. Meera says, I love the smell of the flowers. And know what? And the crunching sound. Crunching sound means the sound of falling leaves under my feet. When when we walk on the dry leaves, it make a sound of crunch. Crunch. Right? So the crunching sound, she loved that sound. Meanwhile, they are discussing their thoughts with each other. Papa. Baba said that I also smell something. He's founding the fragrance of something in the atmosphere. You know what? That is a cup of milky chai. Yes, the aroma of tea, fragrance of a tea. Suddenly they reached to a shop. Baba ordered 2 cups of teas. But Meera's mama say, make a small cup for Meera too. To whom Meera's mama say? To the shopkeeper. And the shopkeeper said as in this chapter, Chai wala dada. Yes, Chai wala dada makes you 3 cups of tea. Now he lights the stove with a match and put a pan of water on the fire. Water gets boiling, hotter and hotter. Bubbles gets bigger and bigger. When the water boiled properly, Dada pours some milk into the pan with the boiling water. Meera is standing over there and watching all the process, and she is very eager to see all these things. As this all is new for her, she is enjoying how the chaiwala dada is making a tea. She called Mama, Ma, see how the milk is changing its color. Mama said, you wait for some time. It again changed the color when we put tea leaves into this mixture. Meera is standing over there patiently for 2 minutes and seeing that how the color of a chai is changing when the chai wala dada puts tea leaves into that mixture. Ooh, it's changing color again. Meera asked to the chai wala dada that chai is ready. So he said, yes, it's almost ready. Now the chai wala dada take 3 cups and pour the tea through a strainer through which they can stain the tea. Tea leaves behind with the help of a strainer, little leaves behind in that strainer. Finally, chai wala dada added sugar in those cups. And what Meera is doing? Meera is watching it and enjoying the process of making tea. At home, this is Mira's job when Ma and Baba make tea. She loves the tickling sound. Tickling sound when we put something in a glass, for instance, a spoon we put and used to move in the glass, the sound of tickling of spoon against the cup. Mira starts stares the cup against the sugar, that how sugar gets disappeared, how sugar get dissolved, कैसे sugar उस चाय में घुल जाती है. Now Mira is happy and say, "Yay, chai is ready." So this is a short story of a Mira in which she enjoyed its trip and a new experience with the tea. Hope you all enjoy this story. Go through it.